Ever feel like you're hitting a wall during your workout? It might not be your muscles, but your fluids. Staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst, it's crucial for peak performance. Proper fluid balance regulates body temperature, delivers nutrients to your muscles, and flushes out waste. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to function optimally, leading to fatigue, decreased endurance, and even muscle cramps. So, next time you're feeling sluggish, grab some water. Your body will thank you for it, and your workouts will be all the more rewarding. Energetic, upbeat tone. Ever feel like your body's a finely tuned machine? It is. Tiny sensors, like those hypothalamic osmoreceptors and vascular baroreceptors, are constantly monitoring and adjusting your fluid levels. It's like a built-in hydration system. Why does this matter? Well, proper fluid balance keeps your blood volume steady and regulates your body temperature. So, next time you exercise and feel the heat, remember, your body's got this. It's using your blood like a cooling system to keep you at the perfect temperature. Pretty cool, right? Smiling, hey everyone. It's your girl, your name, and let me tell you, staying cool when it's hot and humid is no joke. But here's the secret weapon: hydration. When the temperature rises, our bodies sweat to cool down. But when the humidity's high, that sweat doesn't evaporate as quickly, making us feel even hotter. That's where water becomes our best friend. By staying hydrated, we replenish the fluids we lose through sweat, helping our bodies regulate temperature and keep us feeling fresh. So next time you're feeling the heat, grab a glass of water and keep it cool. Wink, trust me, your body will thank you for it. Ever feel like you're dragging, even when you're pushing hard? It might not be just fatigue, it could be dehydration. Our bodies are like finely tuned machines, and water is the fuel that keeps them running smoothly. When we don't have enough, our performance suffers. We get sluggish, our focus wanes, and we're more prone to overheating. But here's the good news: staying hydrated is a superpower we all have. By simply making water our go-to drink, we can unlock our true potential. So next time you're feeling the heat, grab a glass of water and watch your body and mind come alive. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about feeling good, it's about performing at your best. Let's crush those goals together, one sip at a time. Ever feel like a dehydrated raisin? Yeah, me neither. But seriously, when you don't drink enough water, your body throws a mini tantrum. It's like a complex dance of hormones and mechanisms trying to keep you going. Antidiuretic hormone screams at your kidneys to hold on to water, while the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system cranks up your thirst. It's a desperate attempt to keep you from turning into a prune. So, do yourself a favor and grab some H2O. Your body will thank you for it. Ever wonder why you sweat so much during a workout? It's your body's way of saying, hey, we're losing fluids, time to rehydrate. As you sweat, your blood thickens, and your body goes into water conservation mode. That's when hormones like ADH and aldosterone kick in, holding onto every drop of water they can. Meanwhile, your kidneys are working overtime to keep the right balance. So next time you're drenched in sweat, remember, it's your body's way of staying in the game. Scene: a close-up of a person's face, looking directly at the camera with a serious expression. Speaker asterisk: ever heard the saying, don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water? Well, it's especially true for athletes. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already behind the hydration curve. That's why we need to be proactive, folks. Cut to a montage of athletes training intensely, interspersed with shots of them drinking water. Speaker asterisk: whether you're hitting the gym, the track, or the field, staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining peak performance. Dehydration can lead to overheating, fatigue, and even serious health problems. Cut back to the close-up of the speaker. Speaker asterisk: so, ditch the thirst-based approach and make hydration a priority. Set reminders, carry a water bottle, and listen to your body. Remember, staying ahead of the game is key to reaching your full potential. End scene. So, whether you're hitting the gym or hitting the trails, remember to keep that fluid balance in check. Your body will thank you, and your performance will soar. Scene asterisk: a person is shown working out, either at the gym or outdoors. Hydration is key, people. Whether I'm crushing a workout at the gym or exploring the trails, staying hydrated is non-negotiable. It keeps my energy levels high, my muscles happy, and my performance on point. Remember, your body is like a finely tuned machine. Give it the fuel it needs, and watch it soar. So grab your water bottle, stay hydrated, and let's conquer our goals. Men tend to sweat more than women, losing more fluids during exercise. But here's the twist: while we guys are busy sweating buckets, women are more likely to overdrink, leading to a condition called exercise-associated hyponatremia. So, who has it tougher? It's a tie. We both face different hydration challenges. So, next time you're hitting the gym, remember, men, don't forget to replenish those fluids, and ladies, go easy on the water bottle. Hey, college athletes! Did you know that 66% of you are dehydrated before training? Exploding head, that's a lot of thirsty players. Basketball, but here's the plot twist: new research says that being a little dehydrated might not actually hurt your performance. Exploding head, so, should you chug water like crazy or just go with the flow? Thinking face, stay tuned to find out. Hey, fitness fam! Ever heard of the myth that dehydration kills performance? Well, a new study just busted that for well-trained male cyclists in the heat. Turns out, they crushed it even without chugging water. Exploding head. Now, before you ditch your water bottle, remember, this is just for a specific group under specific conditions. Understanding your own hydration needs is still crucial for peak performance, no matter who you are. Flexed biceps. So, listen to your body, stay hydrated when needed, and keep crushing those fitness goals. Ever wonder how much water you should be chugging each day? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your daily fluid needs depend on your body size, activity level, and even the weather. But here's a handy rule of thumb: men, aim for around 3.7 liters, that's about 16 cups. Ladies, shoot for 2.7 liters, or roughly 12 cups. Remember, these are just estimates, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep crushing those fitness goals. You know, I used to think staying hydrated just meant chugging water all day. But guess what? Turns out, around 20% of our daily water intake actually comes from fruits and veggies. Well, that comes from drinks like juice, milk, coffee, even soup. Glass of milk, hot beverage, pot of food. But here's the kicker: when you're active or in hot weather, your fluid needs skyrocket. Rocket, so if you're working out, training, or competing in the heat, make sure you're upping your fluid intake to keep your body running smoothly. Flexed biceps. Remember, staying hydrated isn't just about plain water. Get creative with your fluids and keep your body happy. Ever feel like a dehydrated raisin? Yeah, me too. But guess what? Our bodies are like amazing gardens, and water is the sunshine that keeps everything blooming. So, whether I'm crushing a workout or just chilling with a good book, I always have my trusty water bottle by my side. It's like my personal hydration superhero, keeping me energized and focused. Plus, did you know staying hydrated can even boost your mood and brain power? So next time you're feeling sluggish, grab some H2O and watch your inner garden flourish. Hey fitness fam, sweat droplets. Ever feel like you're dragging during your workout? Sleeping face, it might be because you're not properly hydrated. Before you hit the gym, woman lifting weights. Fuel up with 400 to 600 milliliters of fluids, droplet. Think water, sports drinks, or even coconut water. Coconut. During your workout, woman running. Sip on 150 to 350 milliliters every 15 to 20 minutes, potable water. Stay ahead of thirst and keep those energy levels high. Flexed biceps. After you crush it, trophy. Replenish with 25 to 50% more than the weight you lost, balance scale. Your body will thank you. Folded hands. Remember, hydration is key for optimal performance, key. Stay hydrated, stay strong, and keep crushing your goals, flexed biceps. Hey everyone! Before you head out, I just wanted to say a quick thank you for joining me on this journey to a healthier and happier life. Remember, subscribing keeps you in the loop on all the latest tips and tricks from EatRightTactics. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Together, we're building a community where everyone can thrive. So let's keep sharing, supporting, and inspiring each other to live our best lives. This is Roy, signing off from EatRightTactics. Wishing you all the health, happiness, and deliciousness you deserve.